Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing another hair video. I got this new wig in the mail from Unice hair, you guys, and I was so excited to share this unit with you guys. So this is a headband, like 3/4 wig, okay? But I honestly really love it. Like, this wig is definitely giving me 90s vibes. I've seen a lot of people wear headband wigs back in the 90s, and I think it's really cool they bringing them back out because we can always take something and upgrade it. I mean, look at us with wigs today. I'm definitely liking this new spin on a headband wig. You guys, it is so sturdy, okay? Okay guys, enough talking. I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I put it on because I love it. Okay guys, so the wig we're using today is from Unice hair, and this is what your wig comes packaged like. This is how everything looks right here in the box. So right here is just a bag. It's just some goodies in here. It looks like it's a wig cap. Let's go ahead and open this. It looks like it's a little silk tie, like just for your edges, a wig cap. So let's get to what we came for. And this right here is the wig. Now you guys, this is an all new headband style wig, and I'm really excited just to try it on and see how this is gonna look. Now this reminds me of like the 90s. A lot of people had headband wigs, and it looks like they're making a little bit of a comeback. So this is what it looks like when you take it out of the pack, and it comes with a, looks like a little thin like headband built already onto it. It has Velcro right here on the back. I'm guessing to make it tighter or small or whatever, so it fits to the head. And it comes with a large comb right here. I hope you guys can see this. It comes with a large comb right there. And it's also a comb in the top. So I'm really excited to put this on. So let's get right to it. Okay guys, so here's a close-up of the unit if you guys are interested. As you can see, it's pretty seamless right here. It appears that the headband is sewn onto the unit, okay? So this is what the comb looks like in the top, and this is what the comb looks like in the bottom. And you do have a Velcro down here, and the wig is super full. This is a close-up of the hair texture, which is really nice and full all the way from the top to the bottom. The hair actually feels really nice. I believe I have a 24-inch either water wave or body wave. I'm not too sure. This looks like a water wave wig. Now, if you guys know me, I'm not the biggest fan of hair combs, but we're gonna make this work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on and just Velcro it in the back. You guys, it's really that simple to put on, and it actually feels nice and secure and sturdy. I wasn't expecting it to be this easy, but you guys, it's really good. And I am gonna do my own little headband on top of this, so I'm just going to push this back just a little bit. This is how it looks with the plain headband that comes with the wig, and I really like how this looks. It's really easy to put on and just Velcro the headband in the back. I really like that this thing is secure. Okay, it's not going anywhere. Perfect for just like on the go. If you don't have time to really do your hair, it's really cute. And I love that you can add an extra headband or scarf or anything like that just to spice up the look a little bit. Okay, you guys, so I have the wig on, and I really like it with the headband that comes with it. It does have like a Velcro in the back, just so you can make it as tight or as loose on your head as you want. I really like this wig, you guys. It's sturdy, it's not going anywhere, it feels really comfortable, it's nice and full. So this is what it looks like back a little bit, but you can actually wear it how you want. I just want to wear it like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my really cute headband on with it. So you just want to make sure you can't see any of that of the headband peeking through. And I'm just gonna brush out the hair because I want it to look kind of like nice and full. I don't want the curls to be so defined. But look how quick and easy that was. So fast and so cute. And the hair feels nice and soft. And I do have this unit in a 24 inch, and it gives your hair a break, and it's just so cute. I really like this unit for people that just want to give their edges a break, okay, and just want to wear like regular wigs or U-parts. You don't have to, you know, do frontals. This definitely gives you the option to do that. Okay, you guys, so before y'all get out of here, I want you to comment below and let me know if you would wear this wig. Let me know if you would wear a headband wig. Like, okay, I'm feeling it. So if you guys are interested in this wig, make sure you check the description bar below. Links and details from Unice and everything will be down below. Also, where I got this beautiful headband will be listed down below. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please don't forget to thumb this up if you like my wig videos. Comment below and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon.